Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we'll be talking about if you can and how easy it is to replace your AirPods case in case you lose it. So maybe you had your AirPods out and then you lost your case somewhere on the way, somewhere while you were just using the AirPods, and you need a new case now because you lost it. So the short answer is yes, you can get a new case for the AirPods. And now let's talk about how easy it is, where you can get it, and how much it'll cost you. So first of all, does AppleCare actually cover a lost AirPod case? They do not fully cover a lost or stolen AirPod case, but you might get a discount if you want a replacement charging case for the AirPods Pro. Unfortunately, not for any version before that, but for the AirPods Pro, you'll get a discount if you have AppleCare Plus. So AppleCare says that you will only need to pay one incident fee to replace a single AirPod or both AirPods with or without a charging case. Now, how much does it cost? So usually, depending on what version you have, it will cost from $60 to $100, depending on what case you have. So with first and second generation, it'll cost you about $60, and with AirPods third generation, it'll cost about $70 to $80, and the newest AirPods Pro will cost you around $100. So $60 to $100, you'll definitely be able to get a new AirPods case. And for the AirPods Pro, if you have the AppleCare Plus, you'll only pay $30 to get a new case actually. To get a replacement AirPods case from Apple, you will need to visit Apple's support portal. Let's do that right now. Just hop on your phone or PC. We'll have this link in the description, and you want to go to the Apple support portal right here. And then you want to log in with your Apple ID and click on Get Service right here. Now, AirPods, yes. Now you want to click on Lost or Missing AirPods. That's this one right here. And now you want to decide, okay, what do I need? I need a new AirPods case right here. And then click on Go Further. And then you'll have to log in. You'll have to type in the serial number for the AirPods. You can find that on your phone. So if you go to the settings on your phone, if you're connected with the AirPods, and then you click on name in the settings of the AirPods, you'll find the serial number right there, and then you can type that in right there. And then you can just follow this process to get some new AirPods. You can also just try checking on Amazon, for example. That works as well. You can check on Amazon, type in AirPods Pro case, AirPods Pro case, or you can check. If you want to get a cheaper one, you can also check on, for example, eBay or anything that sells used AirPods cases in your region. Or if you're in the US, you can also check on Best Buy. They also have some options. With these third-party options, you just have to be careful that you do not purchase any counterfeit. So that might be the case on some websites, so be careful there and make sure you're searching for the right AirPod version so you don't buy an AirPods Pro case for your AirPods first generation. So be careful of that, and be careful that they are not counterfeit and they really fit to your AirPods. So yeah, that's how easy it is to replace your AirPods case. I hope this helped you out. I hope you find it or you find a replacement for your case, and make sure to comment down below if you have any more questions, and like and subscribe.